Hello guys, this is how to get ChatGPT running again when you have been blocked. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So you might have extensions that are prohibiting ChatGPT from running um, efficiently. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to open up our extensions by clicking the extensions icon, then clicking manage extensions. Then we're going to go ahead and turn off um, all of our extensions, and then that should fix the problem. But if the problem persists, what we can go ahead and do is we can, in most cases, a VPN might be masking your location and ChatGPT might not be running as it should. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to open up our settings. So we're going to open up our settings. Then we're going to go into network and internet. And then we're going to locate VPN. Click on that. And then we're going to disable and turn off any running VPN. And then we're going to go ahead and open up our browser again. So once we open up our browser, we're going to go ahead and open up our browser settings by clicking on the three dots on the top right corner. Click on settings. And then we're going to click on privacy and security. We're going to scroll down. Click on site settings. Scroll down. Cookies and site data. Go ahead and click on that. And then see all site data. We're just trying to clear all cache data from OpenAI. Go ahead and click on that. Then we're gonna search for OpenAI, the top there. And then go ahead and delete the data right there. And then go back into ChatGPT from your web browser. And then we're gonna go ahead and reload the site. And then log in again. Put in your details. And the error should have cleared up. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.